Hello, brave, beautiful, beloved soul friends. Welcome to another Conversations with Kristin, that beautiful time of your day where you explore the unconscious mind from the inside out. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for being here, and thank you for being you. So our subconscious realms, or our unconscious minds, are comprised of energetic vibrations, neural intel flowing throughout our brain and body system that create our uniquely individualized sense of self and the automated style in which we experience and perceive and respond to internal and external realities alike. And all of this data vibrates at a frequency of love, because we've got attachments at the baseline of our unconscious mind, and that is all dependent on experiences of love based on attachment need fulfillment. So we've got all these vibrations of love creating the foundation of our unconscious mind. From this baseline, experiential elements undergo translative processes to become specific pieces of memory data. From this intel, meaning-making associations develop. And all of it stems from vibrations of love. And so we're navigating through life, and we make decisions, and we have thoughts, and we have feelings, and we have perceptions, and we have emotions, and we have ideas, and we have all of this stuff going on inside of us, and all of it stems from vibrations of love. And so the thing is, though, vibrations of love occur along a spectrum. And so there could be high vibrations of love or low vibrations of love. High vibrations of love stem from attachment need fulfillment, and high vibrations of attachment need fulfillment, high vibrations of attachment data enable really effective connectivity throughout memory data. So there's like a lot of collaboration and communication going on. But when attachment data vibrates at a low frequency, then memory data vibrates at a low frequency. And there's difficulty with connections. And then there's misconnections or overcoupling of memory data, or disconnections and undercoupling of memory data. And then the meaning-making associations that form don't fully effectively support self-sense or personal identity because they're vibrating at a low frequency. And so when we're moving through life and we have an experience of anxiety or irritability or depression or any type of implicit struggle, it's stemming from low vibrational frequencies of love within our unconscious mind. And we can bring this into our awareness to amplify self-compassion. Because if we're there and we're in this place of like, oh, I'm so frustrated, if we tune in and we're like, oh, this is coming from a vibrational frequency of love because my memory data is helping me navigate life in relation to my attachment needs. It's a powerful reframe to connect with subconscious parts, to ground us in the love-based beings that we are, to tune in with subconscious realities and stuff that's happening beyond our awareness that's affecting our conscious thoughts and feelings. It's just a really powerful reframe and a powerful way to perceive everyday situations in a new light. And then from that space, we can redirect things and realize that if we pour love into our beings, we can raise the vibrational frequencies of our subconscious data and actually improve the quality of life we're encountering from the inside out. If we raise the vibrational frequencies of our subconscious data, then life looks and feels like love. Because the automated lens that we're moving through our sense of self and sense of personal experience through is stemming from a high vibrational frequency of love. Self-love, daily practices of self-love, help us transform our unconscious minds from the inside out. When we fulfill our attachment needs on a regular basis, we raise the vibrational frequency of attachment data. When this is raised, especially through daily practices of self-love, that creates new implicit emotional and procedural memories. Fulfilling attachment needs creates new implicit emotional memories, and then doing it on a regular basis creates new implicit procedural memories. And those are the unconscious memories at the baseline of how we navigate through life without realizing it. Memory systems have nothing to do with storing the past. They're all about navigating unfolding moments. And 80% of decision making, sometimes more if we're living with chronic traumatic stress flares and our prefrontal cortex disengages, at least 80% of decision making automatically stems from implicit procedural memories. So this unconscious data is really important. And so if we fulfill our attachment needs on a regular basis, we raise the vibrational frequency of our attachment systems, we raise the vibrational frequency of our memory systems, and then we raise the vibrational frequency of our personal life experiences. It's really powerful stuff. So just wanted to share this healing journey message. It helps to have fresh insights about subconscious operations because it is unfolding beyond awareness. There's no direct knowledge about when implicit memories are being activated and contributing to conversations of consciousness. There's no direct awareness about the well-being of attachment systems. There's clues, and you can find out more about that at kristinwindsor.com/gifts. I have a bunch of healing journey gifts for you guys. But directly, we don't have access to what our subconscious parts are experiencing. We just kind of see the aftermath of it. Like, I'm over here and I sense a sensation of irritability. I don't know right away through immediate conscious knowledge that my subconscious parts have been experiencing projections from unfulfilled attachment needs and associated memory data that's striving to navigate that lack of fulfillment stemming from past moments, but being projected in immediate navigation of life's unfoldings. And so our conscious self has more power when there's attunement, self-attunement with subconscious parts who are experiencing a whole bunch of stuff beyond our direct awareness. Subconscious parts are going through a million things that our conscious mind never knows about. But when we can tune in with that, we have more understanding about our conscious experiences and more power to move through conscious and unconscious realms alike. Thank you so much for tuning in to these conversations with Kristin. Please feel free to explore my magics. There's some links below. And just thank you for being here. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. I'm sending you lots of love and light along your everyday healing journey, soul friends. Infinite blessings to you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being you. And I'll catch you in my next video.